Hi everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Just pausing this video. How are we doing today? Today I'm doing a little bit frustrated. This studio, it needs a little bit of some organizing, cleaning, decorating. It needs to come together is what I'm saying. It needs a little bit of our help. So I thought today we might focus on working on the studio. I know you guys love watching clean with me's. I know you guys love like the little decorate with me's as well. So why don't we just do a bit of all of that in this video today? So that's what we're gonna tackle, and I mean, without further ado, it's just gonna be a day in the life vlog that has a lot of cleaning in it. This area right here, I don't know if you guys recognize this view. Dun, dun, dun. But normally I film like little try-on shots here. I like that better than like shooting straight on the wall because it's just gives you like a little bit more of like you're in a space. Anyway, so it might look a little bare over here, but that's because I like it like this. I like to be able to film in this area. What has become of my desk area? She's seen better days. So I really want to go through this. There's a lot of like little knick-knacky things here that are here because I want to see if they're going to fit on the shelving. So we need to go through all of that, pick what's going to stay, pick what has to go into storage, pick what vases. I also want to decorate the entire top of this desk with like a bunch of stuff. So that's going to be a whole thing. I have like a flag, I have bells, I have some photos, like, so I want to decorate this entire top of the desk. That mirror is probably going to come down and be moved. I don't think it's going to stay there. And then we come over to where the poopers are sleeping. Oki's really sick, you guys. He has a really bad skin infection, like currently waiting on a culture to come back from the vet because like the antibiotics he was on isn't working. He's having some accidents in the house. Like Oki's not doing very well, so you can kind of see some on his nose. You guys have ever dealt with dogs with allergies, please let me know. I personally don't think that these are allergies. This has been like a year process. Like if you look here, look how rough that is. He's really just in some pain. Oh, I think we're having another accident. Having a pee-pee accident. How are you? Do you have to go outside, Bubba? Come on, let's go for a pee-pee outside. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bubby. Come on. Come on. Good boy. I don't know, that's a side thing of what I'm dealing with lately, but yeah, it's not like, sometimes it's like more pee, like he just dribbled there, but I'd rather him just go outside. Anyways, also dealing with a sick Oki. So one of the main areas I want to tackle today is this side of the office because I just put this couch here. It used to be in my loft, but I brought it in here because I really needed some seating area to make this space look a little bit better. So I'm loving the way that this is looking, but I have a bunch of things that aren't really like styled that I need to like put up here. So I really want to go through that, reorganize that, make this look good, make the desk area look good, and then sort of like clean it all up. We're actually going to be getting a brand new rug as well. So as you can kind of tell, this rug doesn't really fill the space the best. So we are going to be getting a new rug. I want to wash the floors. So here's the rug that I got for the space. This is actually much larger than the rug I have in the space right now. This is, I think it's 6 by like 9 or something. And right now in the space I have this one, and this is I think it's like 5 by 7. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger, and I'm hoping it will go out to like there, and then it'll be a little longer as well. But yeah, that's the rug. I got it on Etsy. Okay, so I have this vase, which I kind of want to add to the mix up here. Thinking about possibly replacing this one. I don't really want to because it adds color to the room, but let's just see. That's what that looks like. I like it, but super similar to this one. And so let's say no. I'm thinking of putting these where all this other stuff is. I'm not like 100% set on that, but I do think it might look cool. y'all a little close-up of that. Does it need to move over? Maybe? Maybe? Okay, we're gonna move on. We're gonna come back and we'll see it at the end. This area, not good. Need to fix that. I had to close the blind because it was getting really hot on Oki. So I have this, which I adore. I don't think the top shelf though is like big enough to hold this, but we can always see. Oh, it actually fits like perfect, but I don't think I love it. There's so much dried foliage that like I don't really need something with dried foliage, but there's that. Don't love that either. Cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. All 3 puppies on the sofa. Oh my goodness. All right. Potch doesn't look happy though, but Gerv's happy. I haven't made much progress, but I was thinking, this is like the worst part. I probably shouldn't have even like screwed with this because this is gonna now take me like 10 years, but I was thinking about moving this picture frame and putting it over there and putting this little junk of stuff in a little junk of stuff thing over here. So that's what I'm gonna try to do right now. Okay guys, it's a new day. I had some plans that I had to go do, so but I just wanted to get like a little bit of this done before I went out. So it's a new day. We're gonna continue on with this. I really think I want to tie these together. I think that looks better bunched up, and I kind of, so you guys are like on the couch. I kind of like it just left with the string there. But so that's what that looks like. I really need to get this taken to a framer and get this like properly mounted because it's too big. The frame's too big for it, but. So I went and got this tote from my basement just because anything I'm not using on the shelf, I'm gonna be storing in here. But there's a couple things in here I just wanted to show you guys, which I thought was pretty cool. This was when I was in Cosmopolitan magazine, My Glitter Roots. So I have a little frame of that. And then this was also in Cosmo, but it was my Sally Beauty ad that was in Cosmo. I just have some dried flowers from bouquets that people have given me. This was, I had the highest GPA in location photography. It's like just an award. Yeah, I just want to show you that, guys, that stuff. But I have some more things that I'm gonna put in here. I don't know what to put here. So this is sort of a weird spot that I sort of left for putting more vinyl. But I've been very picky with the vinyl that I've been buying because I really only want to buy records that I'm like, you know, overly in love with, because I used to just buy like any record I even wanted to listen to, but now I just want to have records that, you know, I really, really love. So that space was sort of for that, but we kind of have to fill it in the meantime with something. I could put my YouTube plaque maybe, book in a little basket. I think that's nice. I kind of like that a lot, but not for sure. Have this vase, which is just a big circle, which would probably take, no, I love this vase though. I need to put it somewhere. Okay guys, we're moving on to my desk, which is a mess to say the least. I really want, not only for it to be clear, but I really want to do something on this wall to sort of make it, I don't know, nicer to be, you know what I'm saying? So I have a couple ideas, so it's just sort of, we have to bring them to life. I've left out a couple vases and stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take all the stuff off here that I know that I'm not putting back up on the shelves. This is sort of the main focus of the top of the desk idea. This is a little flag and it's from the company called Western Darlin. I have 2 different length tacks. Well, one is furniture nails, but they just longer, so they'll work. But I also can get nails if I think that might look better. So the rug has arrived. I'm so excited. Don't mind the floors, they're dirty. I had the puppies in here yesterday, but I'm gonna give the floors a wash and stuff. I need to sweep and clean the floor before we open this guy. And I really want to roll this rug up. I'm thinking this rug might go in my bedroom. Haven't fully decided yet, but I do wanna roll it up. So let's get the area all clean. P.S. If anyone knows offhand some eco-friendly alternatives to these Swiffer sheets, I know I could just use regular cloths, but I really want something that has like grip to it or something. I don't know. I could just look it up. But if anyone knows offhand some eco-friendly alternatives, please leave that in the comments below. Hey y'all. I haven't even seen the rug yet, so this is going to be interesting for us both. I was also thinking, the dogs bring in so much dirt out of the yard. Like not a crazy amount, but like definitely more than I want. Just thinking about maybe getting one of those like robot vacuums that vacuums in here when I'm not in here. That way it kind of stays clean. Well, it stays more clean, you know? It's like, I feel like I'm cleaning in here more than I'm spending time in here. Interesting, I didn't know it had any pink on it. Oh, I think this is the back. Okay, so that is the color. I was like, I don't think I got a pink rug, but that's just the back. So because this is a vintage rug, that sort of thing, has some imperfections in this area, but I thought that was kind of cool, kind of interesting anyways. So I really like it. I would say maybe the only thing I'm not loving is it doesn't seem to be like perfectly square. Okay, so that line looks straight there, but then this line, it's a bit like it goes out further there than there. I mean, that's a small thing. I actually have this thing from Article. Why are we so out of focus? There we go. So it's basically this little like side table thing. Has this, you can put storage in there, but also put stuff on top, put stuff in there, put stuff in there, and also put stuff in there. And this used to be in the loft. You guys probably remember this. So I'm thinking, it's hard to do with one hand, of putting it right in here beside the couch, because it's like the perfect size. Voila, you'll never see it. Perfect. So I'm thinking about moving all of the stuff that's in here and putting it there so it's accessible, and then putting this in the storage little area. A little sneak peek into here. So that's where I have a bunch, like my ring light, an extra softbox, bunch of like boxes and stuff for all of my like equipment, and then I have lights and stuff. So I just put that in there, and I'll probably use that for something along the lines. I don't really know what right now. Look what I did yesterday. I bought a Roomba, and I bought a Roomba because these little lovely angels on earth, I find that like it's impossible to keep this floor clean. It does need to be painted again, but I'm thinking about putting flooring down. So, but I find it's just impossible to keep it all clean, and it's so crazy. Like this thing gets the dirt that honestly I swear a broom can't even get. And then it comes with this app, and you just literally hit clean and it starts cleaning, and you can hit it from like anywhere. Oh, sorry, Hotch. It's so sweet, and it goes up like on the rug. It's so sweet. I'm really happy I got that. That'll help keep the dog hair down, eh, mama? So I just want to give you guys an update of what everything is looking like. So I have cleared this area, which I told you guys I really wanted to keep clear for the sake of filming little like try-on shots and stuff like that. I have this. I bought this from the dollar store. It is just like a wooden canvas thing. I'm gonna paint it white to match the wall. It just covers the power box, which is sweet. Okay, so I'm thinking about hanging all of the remainder hats over here in this little section of the wall. The last thing I want to really do in this video is apply some of this. This is this windowsill, but I'm going to be using it for the door. I just want in the winter time the door to just, you know, not be super drafty. So I got some of this. This one's a windowsill because it's so thin, but I needed it to be this size. So we got the window one, but this is essentially what it looks like. So I think I'm going to apply it sort of right along the edge of the door, and it'll all be there the whole way along. Okay y'all, so that is gonna be it for today's video. I don't want to give you guys like a grand full reveal until I do the office tour, because I kind of want to keep it a little bit of a secret. So there will be no real like after shot, but I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me, cleaning, getting some stuff done. Honestly, I got a lot of stuff done and I feel really good about it. So thank you for hanging out with me and helping me get her done, essentially. We're really close to being able to do the office tour, so I'm so excited about that. I feel like there's like one more thing, and then I'm gonna do that video. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.